Have you ever heard of the love story between Melanion and Atalanta? Atalanta, a swift-footed huntress, vowed to marry only the man who could outrun her in a race. Many suitors perished in the attempt, but Melanion had a secret weapon, 3 golden apples gifted by Aphrodite herself. As the race began, Atalanta's unparalleled speed seemed unbeatable, but Melanion, driven by love and guided by divine wisdom, dropped a golden apple. Its allure was irresistible. Atalanta paused to retrieve it, allowing Melanion to gain ground. Twice more, this tactic was employed, and each time Atalanta's curiosity and desire for the golden fruits slowed her. Finally, Melanion crossed the finish line first. Their union was meant to be a triumph of love and strategy over brute strength, but the tale doesn't end there. Aphrodite, displeased with their neglect of honoring her post-marriage, cursed them. In a moment of passion in Zeus's sacred temple, they were transformed into lions, creatures believed to never mate with their own kind, forever apart, despite their closeness. This story, filled with divine intrigue and emotional depth, illustrates the complexities of love, fate, and the gods' whims in ancient mythology.